Ruger.
Lazy K Production.
Free my motherfucking CEO, man. My man, aka Kush man. Yeah. All I go through hell, why don't I go through heaven? Seem like I'm on the same level as the fucking devil. I'm on the ocean with all the motherfucking pedal. I'm God made, so I'm God saved. But I'm a slave, but the world changed. All the bad things I'm doing, man, got me going insane. Need knowledge in my veins, like I haven't smelled positive air in so long. No, I'm wrong, but when I ain't got no home, I'll put the hole on and stay strong. Mind gone, so I'm popping next and smoking strong. Push my spirit farther, so I can look into my eyes and see my grandfather. Now I'm on holy ground, drinking holy water. Remembering all this shit when them niggas smoked that water. Couldn't even stand, man, was blowing in the wind. Talking about in Afghanistan with choppers in hand. I was trying to block what I was witnessing. Lord, I can see you, but I know you listening. Hope you forgive me for the things that my sins and all the things I did. Man, I'm a man, but now I gotta realize when I gotta calm down. My nigga locked up now, man. Free my nigga now. I'ma hold my nigga to the roof off so my niggas can fly away. My real niggas, they the birdies, man. I got them birdies flying across the pigeon, and niggas keep on looking at me cause I got that vivid picture, vivid ass picture. I'll fuck with you if you bought that money, nigga. I'll come and fucking get it. Niggas see it's fucking shitty. I put your nigga in his shit cause your shit mouth. A fucking dick in the mouth. You niggas better calm down if I come to your house and show you niggas what I'm about that fucking salt. I'm out that fucking off, but niggas better chill out. So what you mean, nigga? You ain't saying shit to me, niggas is bitch niggas.